Hello, everyone. It's great to see you. All right, let's get tuned. Wait, something's different. Where are my instruments?
Over there, Dink. In at the dam. Is it there? Must be here somewhere.
Can I help you?
Stop playing and help me find my shadow.
Oh, looks like I carried this Disney theme just a little too far. Well, good luck finding your shadow. All right, that must be the UPS man.
Mark my words, there's trouble a brewing.
Well, okay, thanks for that. Oh, look at that. I feel so appreciated.
Is that?
Fishing apple?
I guess it could be. Hey! I haven't watched that yet.
I feel strange.
No! Why does everyone have to lose something in a Disney movie? Peter Pan lost his shadow, Snow White lost her life, and I lost my instruments. I'm gonna go find them after I wash my hands. Excuse me, miss. Did you lose something?
Thank you, but I just wanted to ask you which way I ought to go.
Well, that all depends on where you want to get to. Wait a second. That gives me an idea.
Where are they? Where are they?
Sorry, lady. I don't know what you're talking about.
Please, the puppies.
Whoa!
No time for games. Where are the little brutes?
Oh, what a crazy dream. Oh, man. Oh, well, hello, everybody. Sorry I fell asleep on you. Today we're going to be working on Ashokan Farewell. And yes, we are celebrating the golden age of Disney animation today. So the first several movies that Walt Disney made himself before he passed away. All right, guys, let's get tuned. Here's your A. D. G. C. E. Okay, so let's get started today with the viola. Yoo-hoo! Viola, you have what's called a soli. A soli is where your whole group is playing a solo. So basically, it's telling you you have the melody. Usually they don't do that for first violin because usually first violin has the melody. So here's what your part sounds like. So we're going to start with a low C sharp. Notice how you're going to have an extended third. Remember, we're in pattern 3 right here. So, space, space, close together. That's pattern 3, which means C sharps and F sharps on the lower strings. And then you've got your open string note on the 4th finger below. So we start with C sharp. 2. Now you could play that D with your 4th finger, especially if you know how to do vibrato already, which I don't expect that you would. But just to prepare you for the future, if you were going to play this again in the future, play every note as much as you can with a finger instead of an open string. Let me do that as an example for you. So we're going to start again, pick up to measure 53. 4th. 1. Sorry. Now you're going to want to change that rhythm, okay? I had a little bit of trouble on it practicing. It tends to get a little bit stolen one way or the other. That one was wrong. So you're going to think 1 and 2 and 3 and then you go on for a little bit of part that's not part of the melody. Who does have the melody is cello. So cello, I'm going to start with you all the way back to beginning of measure, well, probably pick up to measure 52, because it's not fair to take you right out of the middle of your soli. So we're going to start pick up to measure 52 with a down bow, with an open A. Sorry, I just lost the spot. There it is. And really, it's these last two notes that I want you to practice in preparation for the recording that's on Smart Music. So you're going to be F's G. Okay? And that's your pickup note. Big emphasis here. Now also count the rhythm right there. 1 and 2 and 3 and, okay? Be careful on that one. Gotta turn my page. Okay, so we just went. Now I cannot emphasize enough how much you want to leave that G just as somber as possible. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now notice everyone here in this next measure. This is measure 62 if you've been following along. Everyone has a C natural. Make sure you circle that. 2, 3. 2, 3. Now you don't have the solo anymore. 2, 3. And then you go on. I don't think I have anything else for you on the rest of this piece of the music. But just notice the articulations that I did in my example for you. Viola, bass, and anyone else in between, or viola, cello, make sure that you're practicing your part now with me. I'm going to play the bass part. And Woody, I don't have much instruction for you other than a couple of rhythm that I want you to pay attention to, and also make sure that you're switching between pits and bow at the appropriate times. Here is measure 53. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I gotta turn the page, pause right here for a second. Measure 57. 1, 2, and 3, and 2, 3, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry, that should have been a G. Here's measure 57. Ready, and 2, 3, 2, 3. Here's where you switch. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C natural. 2, 3, and it is a fermata. Then you pick back up at measure 63. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. 2, 3. 2, 3. Gotta turn the page. Pause right here. Measure 66, 67. 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, and go. Get ready to switch. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now, maybe don't let that ring as much as I did. And also, look at measure 68, everyone. That Italian word, morendo, literally means dying. So, die away. Be quiet and subtle as you go. Okay. Let's jump to the person who has to probably work the hardest, and that's first violin. Now, first violins, I'm gonna, just for the sake of, since we're not performing this, but I do have to teach it to you here, we're all just gonna do the top line, okay? All of you do the solo. That way you all get the advantage of doing something that you can learn. And don't worry about the divisi, okay? So at any case, take the top line. Starting at measure 53. All right, so when we get here, we're gonna start with A, right? Pick up to measure 53. Now we're gonna switch to third position. Those are the pickup to measure 54. That's that slurred two notes. Now the next one, that F sharp, you can actually play with third finger here on the A string. And then the next one, the D, you can play first finger here in third position. Now I wouldn't recommend staying there too long because now you can go to that open A. Okay, isn't that awesome? So To clarify for you, let me play it one more time. Pick up to measure 53. 1, 2. 2, 3. 2, 3. Pausing for a second while I turn the page. Okay, here is measure 57. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. C natural, right? Low 2. Pick up. Back again. Wait a second. Is that a... It's C C sharp. Back to the normal way, not natural way. C sharp in measure 63 again. It's just a reminder there that you're going back to sharp. Pick up to 63. 1, 2. And then we start the solo part. The solo. Everyone has the solo for first violin. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, end. That's where the D comes in, is the end of 3. Here's the notes. Slower. 65. Ready? A, D, Fs. A, D, Fs. Then you switch to third position. Do those notes look familiar? 1, 4, 3. And then let's see here at measure 67. If you switch again, you can actually play that in with your second finger. Match it with your open E. Then you can go here to the open A. 2, 3. Now, aren't you glad that you're playing the solo? 2, 3, 1. And also notice it's a ritardando there, so follow along with smart music and the tempo it goes. Okay, guys. Everyone, I pretty much told you all the parts that you need to know. I'm going to play through second violin and play your parts with me. Let's play some harmony together. Pick up to measure 53. 1, 2. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 and ready and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. Triple P, super quiet at that point. Guys, I sure hope you have a fun time playing this song. It's a beautiful piece, isn't it? Take a chance to play it all the way through. I'm not going to require it, but this part that I just taught you today is due next Monday. Since I'm not going to assign anything past the 15th, we're going to split the performance that we normally would do into smaller chunks. So this part due next Monday on the 11th, okay? I'm going to sign off for now, guys. Thank goodness that whole first part was just a dream.